Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World and you need to know that work is kicking my behind, the overtime has got to stop. Alright you all, listen, there was a giveaway for the AK Boilers Dead watch faces, and here are the winners. First up is going to be social media. Congratulations, you are a winner. And number two is going to be Ed Adams. Alright Ed, now you ought to see the email down at the bottom. Email me so I can send you your free watch face code, and I will put it in the description box as well. With that being said, let's go ahead, let's kick this review off. I know you're ready. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and yes, I got some more watch faces to give away to you all. This time it's by CM Design. And I'm telling you, I got 4 to give away. All you gotta do is simply just comment, subscribe or not, and you have an opportunity to win. The name of this watch face is called Executive Border. With that, let's kick this review off. Now, I'm liking this watch face. I like the color, I like the layout, I like the analog look. Now, in always on mode, you're pretty much gonna get the same look. It's just gonna be blacked out in the dim mode. Still, you'll get everything you need to see at a glance. But when the watch face is on, this is where the beauty really shines on this watch face. I like the detailing of it. I like the analog look, and you get a second hand that goes around the bezel of the watch that gives it a little class as well. Now again, I like the dials. Up at the top, if I tap on that one, I can go into my calendar, set an event. If I tap right here, I get my battery info. Down at the bottom, I can tap right here and I can get my step status, calories burned, and if I tap right here, I can get my heart rate information. So I thought that was a good look, a very good look, especially for going out. But check this out, right? Now, I can customize the color. I double tap, and I'm going to cycle through quite a few of them so you get an opportunity to see the difference in the color of this watch face. Now that one is beautiful. You got to see this one in person to really get the full effect of how great these colors are on this watch face. This one changes the whole theme. It looks really different. I thought CM Design really did a great job on this watch face. Now you pretty much get 18 color changes in all. Alright you all, that's going to be it for this video before my battery dies. And if you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. Alright you all, have a great day, and I'll see you all at the next one. Take care.